Today I'll show you how to replace a Acer Aspire 5734Z 4725 model laptop. You're going to want to have everything you need laid out and easily accessible, just like this. You're going to want to have your screws and all your tools you need. You're going to want to have your battery out, and you're not going to want it unplugged for safety reasons. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this and you're going to want to put it into this input right here. You can use like a little screwdriver or tweezers to make it easier. Alright, it's in. Next, you're going to want to connect this ribbon wire right here. You're going to want to be careful because it's really small and it says don't touch, so don't touch. Let's put it in ever so carefully. It's in. Now, for this one, you have to connect this wire into this small input right here next to the webcam. It's in. Let's see if it works. Oh, let's test it. It works. So now that you know it works, you're going to want to unplug it again. And you can now proceed to put everything back where it's supposed to go. You can. Alright. So once you have your screen screwed into the hinges, here, 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 and here, you can now proceed to put the front bezel on. It should clamp into place. If not, probably did it wrong. Now you can proceed to put the screws in the holes. Once you finish putting the bezel on, you're done.